Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Mario Kacang, and today I'm going to show you how I lace my Jordan 1 High, simple and clean, with the very long original Jordan 1 laces. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. Also connect to my Instagram at Mario Kacang. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button because it will help this channel to grow even more. Speaking about laces, before we jump into the video, I want to tell you Warp Laces will release 7 new colorway in a vintage series pack. One color is black colorway and the rest 6 is red, gray, blue, purple, green and yellow that are already in my hand, and I will give you a sneak peek how it looks with my Jordan 1. If you love to see your Jordan 1 kind of bit of vintage theme, I recommend you to get these laces because it's released today, February 3rd, 2021. So now it's time to go to the main topic today. I'm going to show you how I lace my Jordan 1 simple and clean with a very long Jordan 1 original laces. First, I'm going to unlace this and we can start from there. So this is how your Jordan 1 looks the first time you unboxing. You might want to remove the shoe tree first. So the first hole is already laced, and we'll do the rest. Make it sure it's always flat. You don't want it to flip like this, it will look silly. So yeah, keep it flat and pull the laces up. Make sure that both sides are even like this. You don't want one side is much longer than the other side. I'm gonna start with my right side first and then my left side. I go from outside to the inside. I already do from inside to outside, and trust me, for this kind of style, this one will look better. Okay, make it sure it's flat, see? So there you have it, the second hole. Now I'm gonna continue until 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna continue from there. One, two, three, four, five. Now, before we go through the 6 holes, this is how I do. So you flip the tongue, and if you start from the right side, you want to go from this side first, the other side first, and then through up from the tongue. Okay, same process with this side. You go behind the tongue, go to the up front. Now see, so the pattern is same with what you already do. Now just again outside to inside. Make it flat. Oops, make it flat. Bam, there you have it. Okay, you don't want it too tight, but don't make it too loose. Adjust the position so it looks perfectly. Yep, that's good for me. Now continue doing the same process for the last time. And the bonus with this style, the laces behind the tongue will make the tongue stable, so it's not gonna flip there when you put it on feet, so it will look good. Now for the finale, we're gonna do a knot here, simple knot. Bang, there you have it. It looks simple, it looks clean, it's comfortable also because more like a slip-on, and trust me, you will not feel those laces behind the tongue. So yeah, the tongue is still flappy. You will get your ankle comfortable because it's not too tight, and most of all, it looks clean, it looks simple. So yep, that's my secret. Thank you for watching this video again. Don't forget to drop your comments. If you have anything to ask, just ask. I will reply as fast as I can. Don't forget to give me some likes. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next Jordan 1 release. Until then, bye.